Going to the pool? Yeah. This watch, which is the Garmin Vivo Smart HR, is terrible for using with swimming, like you'll see.
Online class. I'm sure now everybody doing classes and online classes.
So mom made this change in robe for me. It's basically just a fleece blanket with a hood and sleeves and a kangaroo pocket. I absolutely love it. Since 2021 started, I told myself I wanted to buy less food, and this is like a perfect scenario, an example of combination of factors that would result in me making a bad choice to buy food. I don't need to go into the reasons why buying food is a bad idea economically and for your health, but I'm so proud of myself that after I swim I feel real tired, like I can't even think, like tired. So I packed my food, and this is just like leftover Sunday lunch. It is chow mein, vegetables, and smoked salmon. So it smells as good as it looks. I heated it up before. My car would have kept it warm, and I'm about to dig in. Now, a lot of people would say, oh my gosh, I can't eat fridge food, you know. If I eat it one time, I can't eat it again. Well, if you were to put a price to this, this might be like no less than $50 if you were to buy it, because this is smoked salmon. I'm boasting, but I'm trying to rationalize it. Just what a little preparation could do to save you like a ton of money. Oh, this is a titanium spork. Bought it a couple of years ago. Gave them out to my co-workers as gifts. From Amazon. I think at the time they were like 10 US or 7 US. No, 7. I checked back the price a couple months after, and it gone up because the reviews on it was so good. It has a bottle opener and it's a spork. You can eat soup with it. It has a really good like mouth feel, good serving size. The teeth on it are well constructed. It will actually, like, you know, sometimes you get a fork and it dull. This one dull. Really, really good. Lightweight, durable. It came in a little case, but I know where the case gone. Sustainable, if you're into that. So yeah. So a little preparation goes a long way. It tastes good. But I think there's a certain novelty that comes with, and a certain level of excitement that comes when you like go to a place and buy food. But that's, you really have to get over that. A certain convenience. You'll save so much money if you just prepare. I wouldn't necessarily call this meal prepping. It's basically leftovers. But yes, there are valid concerns like depending on where you're going, do you want to carry it cold or hot? Would you be able to reheat it? Mm. Sometimes things happen you don't get to eat and it stays there for the entire day and you have to discard it. Things happen. Things happen. But by and large, I think this is a good way to go. I'm not shaming now. Oh, another thing I thought about too. If you're in a group of friends that loves to buy food, you're probably gonna be the odd one out. Um so yeah, just make up your mind before time to just stick to what you know. Some people use food as a measure of um camaraderie. Food is usually used as something that you could have a conversation, a date, build intimate interpersonal relationships by sharing a meal. um I guess that even goes much further when people eat the same thing, or both of them have acquired the food from the same place. I don't know, I guess that adds to the experience, but I don't know. I'm not saying that if I go on a date I bring my own food. Hello. No. But in a situation like this, I know what I'm putting into my body. Save myself some money. Time and place for buying food, I guess. So yeah. Excuse me. Hey, what the boots ever do you?